Running a restaurant is not easy. There are countless hurdles in this ever-changing hospitality landscape. Customers are looking for contactless ordering. They want convenience and food to be served fast, and seek safety and security during the payment process. QR technology with near-field communication, NFC, can solve all these concerns. So, let's meet ABCPOS QR Table Ordering. With NFC installed in the ABCPOS QR Table Ordering, customers can place the orders when they're at the restaurant physically only. Safety and security guarantee, as business owners reduce the risk from customers ordering out from the store and order mistakes. This system improves restaurant efficiency without hiring more staff. Labor shortage will not be a big issue anymore. Not only that, it increases table turnover rate as staff can cover more tables while providing faster services and eventually getting more tips. Step 1. Customers tap with NFC technology or scan a QR code via phone. Step 2. The restaurant digital menu appears on the customer's phones. Customers can order as a guest or member. Step 3. Customers browse the digital menu with ABCPOS intuitive interface that leads to higher average sales tickets. The menu can be browsed on multiple devices. Step 4. Customers place orders, and orders will be updated from multiple devices when items are added. Orders sent to post system to be confirmed for production. Step 5. Customers can still order more food after being served with the same QR code. Customers can pay in-store or pay online. Safety, security, and convenience are guaranteed with just 5 steps. Visit us at www.abcpost.com or call us at 718-321-3888 to learn more about how ABCPOS helps you reimagine your restaurant with QR table ordering.